All right, welcome back to another edition of What's Going On Out at the Merlot of the Mountain. Walking over there. There's the house in the background. Before heading up to the cottage today, we stopped by Day Moon Coffee, which is right at the bottom of the mountain. This has become our weekly check-in ritual. Each time we say hi to Rusty the dog. When you stay at the cottage, Day Moon is a quick 3-minute walk. We love the zucchini bread and they have a full specialty coffee menu. Today they have graded the lot and you can see that it's really high up now. It wasn't like that before. We had like about 4.5 feet with some stairs going up, or we had to climb up onto the front porch. I was expecting it to be like that the whole time and just have more stairs, but that's not what they were planning. So it's good to come out here and see what they've got going on. Now it is a little bit more of a gentle slope and you can easily just probably one step or something like that, but there you have it. It looks very different. All right, we're back out at the house again this weekend, and the new update is that they've got the insulation in the walls. This is a 2x6 wall, so it's going to give you a little bit more insulation, which is a plus. Fiberglass is a little bit on the economical side when it comes to insulation, though, so you're not going to get the highest R factor for that, but it's good enough. You know, some others are better, like cellulose. I'm a fan of cellulose. It costs a little bit more, but for the most part, they've got the insulation in. And also, we got a fireplace. Looks like the name brand is Astria. So just a really simple type of fireplace. That's great. It'll get the job done. They did get this barrier sheathing in place, which is nice. That way the fiberglass is contained. So they did a good job with that. And there's the TV plug and the receptacle outlet that Wendy was talking about last time. Got that in there. All right, so I'm going to take you inside today, and just as always, a lot of new updates. We're seeing a lot of sheetrock work. They started floating. All in a matter of 7 days, they got this done. So one thing that I'm really a big fan of, in North Carolina, they make the sheetrock smooth. You know, they sand it smooth. It's easy to touch up. But I tell you what, every house in Texas, they always put this orange peel or other different types of textures that anytime you had to patch it or fix it up a little bit, it was so hard to match, and you could see every patch or fix that you did for cracks in the ceiling and those kind of things. So I really like the fact that this is smooth sheetrock. So let's take a look and see how the bathroom is. They've got the moisture resistant sheetrock in here. Another fun thing to notice, that is blue, like really bold blue. They're always changing the color. When I first started working and building new homes, it was green. So there you have it. Then we got bedroom 2 here. All right, let's go to that front room. The front room, the one with the big window. Yep, there it is. All right, now you can see that cove a little bit better. As we're gonna have like a kind of a high bar seating area with a bunch of bar stools. Great area for throwing your laptop down and working when you want to get out of the office. All right. And then we've got the laundry room. Yep, looking good. And then finally, sorry if I'm making y'all dizzy by moving quickly, we're gonna move into the master bedroom here. The double windows. And then the master bathroom. All right, so we're out here again, and they've got the walls painted or primed. I can't really tell, but we are gonna go with a lighter color. We're gonna have white in here. Every time I get on Pinterest and I see these really bright, it feels like it opens it up a lot more. I've always wanted that, and most houses just tend to have these khaki or tan or off colors that kind of feel kind of blah. So we're gonna go with white and try to get colors in other areas. Jet, what you working on under there? He's in the tub. Wendy, you always wear a dress to the job site?
I do, I'm fancy.
Yeah, all right. Well, what happens if we need to start doing some work and get some trim in? Not today.
Trim days are over.
Trim days are over.
We have done that.
Yes, we have. She's not joking right there. We've graduated from that. Although I still like doing it.
I was going to tell you, this is in the right spot.
All right. That's all I have for this video. As always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode coming soon. I'll see you next time.